Good morning, dear viewers and all learners at home. You're highly welcome to today's lesson. It's still on time, but today we're going to take a look at addition and subtraction of time. But we can't do without going back through the basic fact on the time. As we can all see, 60 seconds equals to 1 minute, 60 minutes, 1 hour, 24 hours, 1 day. 7 days, 1 week. 2 weeks equals 14 days, which is a fortnight. 4 weeks will give us 2 fortnights, and the same thing as a month. 12 months, 1 year. 52 weeks gives us 1 year. 365 days is a lunar year, and 366 days is a leap year. Now, we will need basically under this, let's say the first, second, third, fourth, probably part of the fifth, to solve most of these questions. But today we're going to look at two basic examples. The first one is addition, and here we have the addition. We can all see 4 days, 13 hours, 44 minutes, 32 seconds. We have to add it to 1 day, and 46 hours, 39 minutes, and 37 seconds. Just as our usual addition, but we must bear in mind that 60 seconds makes 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour, 24 hours make 1 day. And these are the basic facts we need in doing this work. Now let's go. 2 plus 7 will give us 9. And then 3 plus 3 will give us 6. And this gives us 69. We don't walk away, we convert this to minutes. And we can make how many 60 here? 1. And therefore we take away 60. We count 0, or we leave it as 9. Then we carry 1 forward to the next digits. 1 plus this will give us 5, plus this will give us 14. 4, carry 1 forward. Plus this will give us 5, plus this will give us 8. We don't walk away, because 60 minutes will give us 1 hour. And therefore we take 60 from this, and we are left with 24. 84 take away 60. We are left with 24, and therefore this becomes 24. Then we take 1 hour to the next digits. Taking 1 hour to the next digit will give us 3 plus 1 will give us 4, plus 6 will give us 10, 0. Take 1 to the next digit. 2 plus 4 will now give us 6. And that is, this 6 is 60 hours. But it's not 60 hours that will make 1 day. Rather, 24 hours make 1 day. So how many 24 do we have here? Let's calculate that. 60. 24 plus 24 will give us 48. So we take away 48. 5, 2, take away this from this, we have 1. So we are left with 12. So we make 2 solid what? Days. We made from this. And we'll be left with 12 hours. 12 hours. Now we've made 2 from this, we add it to this. And the 2 added to this is going to give us 6. Plus this will give us 7. And therefore, we have 7 days, 12 hours, 24 minutes, and 9 seconds. And same thing, we can write 9 without this 0. It's still correct. Now we quickly move to the second question. What says the second question? Question number 2 has to do with subtraction. How do we solve this? We take away, remember, 60 minutes will make 1 hour. 24 hours will make 1 day. Then 7 days will make 1 week. And then we have 4 weeks will make 1 month. So we must bear this in mind when we are doing a subtraction. First, let's start from the minutes. Because 50 is bigger than 25, we'll do the normal subtraction. We take 1 from here, we have 4, bring it here, 10. Take this from 10, we have 5. Take 2 from this, we have 2. And that's giving us 25 minutes. We need not to borrow because the number up is bigger than the number down. Now we have 0 hours, take away 16 hours, which is not possible. So we come here to borrow. remain 4. We take 1 from here, 2 hours. And 1 day equals to 24. So we remove this and replace it with 24. Because 0 plus 24 is going to give us 24. So we have 24 take away 16. 24 take away 16. Take 1 from here, bring it, that becomes 14. From 14 take away 6. And then that gives us what? 8. Then we have 1 take away 1, nothing. We may leave it or we put 0. Now we move further because we've taken 1 from here to this place. We have 1 take away 1 and then we have 0. If you like the 0, if you like, you can leave it out. Then here we have 4 left, which is days. We can take 6 from 4 days. So we borrow 1 from here. Take 1 from this, we have 2 left. Now, how many days are there in 1 week? 7. So we have 7 plus 4 remaining, making it 11. And so this becomes 11. In other words, we have 11 take away 6, and that gives us 5. We have 2 left here, take away 2, and that gives us 0. And here we have 6, take away 2, we have 4. In other words, our final answer is 4 months, 0 weeks. Then we have 5 days, 8 hours, and 25 minutes. With this second example, we've come to the end of today's work. And the few exercises we have are also based on addition and subtraction. I wish you all the best. Stay at home and stay safe. Take care. Bye.